goes just like that. Just sits right here. Doesn't want to, so. Oh crap, I felt something bend. Okay, so. Yeah, it just goes right like that. Just sits there. See if I can manipulate the situation. Ugh. Got some on my finger. That's not good. That's terrible. Pull it off. Okay. Okay. It's not sitting there very well. It's very unstable right now. Oops. Sorry about the camera shake. And again, I'll just have to come back and touch this up because that's just how it is with this model. Part of you is like, well, why can't I just paint the whole thing? Like build it and then paint it. Because this thing is unforgiving. I'm actually a little far back. I need to be like right here. Right here. I just let it sit like that. Ah, oh, crap. I was hoping it would just sit like that for a moment so I could hit the other side and then straighten it out, but wow. You, sir, have made quite a mess. Whoa, that's why. You're not even on target. There you go. You are now on target. And I should have done this before I... put on the front one. What I'll do is I'll come back and paint these areas real quick. There. You know, this has already been 50 minutes, so let me paint that real quick. I'll do one or two decals just to show decals. Then I'll back off. Maybe I can cut this video in more than one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. I just want to do a little bit of touch up. Areas that desperately need it. Sorry for the camera shake. You know, a part of me just thought I could weather it. I could weather the Valkyrie and then you'd never know. That's always a trick people can use. You go ahead and you just weather the whole thing. It's okay, that'll actually be fine. Ooh, you close up a little bit. Bone White by Vallejo. Game Air. It was a good color for the model, but I will be honest with you, it does leave it looking very... What is that? Is that a spot I missed? Great. Whoa, 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 buddy. Not again. I do like dipping out of the bottle. I wish I didn't have to, but at least since I have to, they make it a little bit convenient, right? Okay. Very well. Yeah. I'll probably do 1 or 2 decals, and then I'll show off the final product out in a video after that. Because, yeah, I mean, who wants to... It takes a while, man. I'll say that. It's not the most fun in the world thing to watch, but hey, you know what? If you're building a model and you're watching me build a model, it's probably a good idea. Maybe you can teach me something. Maybe I can teach you something. I think the trick here for me right now is take a break and build Gundam plastic. Right, yeah. Feels good. Do I need this? That's right, I do need this. Because you, I believe it was, wasn't it? No, no, no. It's you. No, no. Who is it? Who is it? You know what? In this case, it's both of you. Need just a little bit of glue or cement or whatever. Yeah, I got to put the little diamonds in the front of it, but oh, it's over. Hardest stuff is done. Let's see. In this picture they don't look black. Look kind of clear. Whatever. You know, I'll save the decaling for another video. That way if I do cut it, edit down, it won't be dramatic. Oh, wait, what's that? No, acetone. You go in the trash now. Yeah. So let me start up the next one. But as the build goes, you know, besides the little diamonds I'm going to pop in there, and the canopy I'm going to put on top, and just a little detail, and maybe take the second cockpit seat and throw him in there. Or take this, maybe put a little bit more decal in it before I toss it in there. This is done. This is built. It needs to be decaled. You know, I need to take these decals, put them on there. I don't need to worry about any of that. I don't need to worry about these weird, terrible lines here that take forever. I just got to put some emblems on it, some FF2200s, some 19s. I don't like doing the nose steps down here. Got to drop some UN spacies on the gun. I'm going to do some, I might do some New Edwards on this one. But yeah, that's, wait a minute. Why is this? Oh, that's for the second guy if he's in the vehicle. Okay, got it. Where's it at? Here we go. And right there, pilot Isamu Dyson. All right, but as a build goes, it's complete. It's a build. It's done. Yes, and I like it. It looks pretty. It's going to look a lot better after I decal it and hit it with that clear coat. But right now, she's a pretty girl. It's going to be a beautiful trophy. All right, see you guys in the next video.